What's up, YouTube? Casey here with KCandSonsCards with Allen Ginter Hobby Box. I'm going to break this one, and then I'll post this tonight, and I'm going to do a retail rip with a blaster and 4 or 5 fat packs, and I'm going to try and put this set together. Last time I tried that, our Allen Ginter box was a hot box, so I still have 2 more boxes left of this, but probably will not rip that unless I'm pretty far away from putting the set together. Just hang on them for right now. But we have the hobby box with 24 packs, 8 packs per card, 3 autos, relics, rip card, printing plates, or book cards. We're still looking for our first book card. Gotten pretty much everything else, not this year, but in past years. So we have Molina, box topper. So starting off okay for not having a hot box. I'm just assuming that it would be an autograph box topper if this were a hot box, but may not be the case. And here we go. And these are the backs for those that haven't seen them. We have our first hit, I think. Mini, I believe. There's a mini here. Looked a little bit thick. I thought it was 2 there. Behind Senzo, this is a framed mini, because I can't get the card off of it. That's how I can tell. Price, it's a relic. So it's David Price. Let's see. It's not from any specific game, but it is game used. So we do have a game used relic. It's our first hit. KCandSonsCards@gmail.com. If you're putting this set together and also need some, reach out. Here's a Rookie of Thice. There's another relic popped up on me. I didn't even expect that. This is game used as well. Bradley. And this is Field General's subset. So if you are putting the set together and you need some, let me know. We can work something out once I get organized and figure out what I've got. Certainly be happy to trade. There's a Bo Bichette rookie. There's a Bugging Out mini, part of the subset, and a Reach for the Sky subset for the full-size cards. Digging deep. Another subset there. And our mini is Clemens. I haven't attempted to put the mini sets together, so I'm not sure. There's a Kyle Lewis rookie. Nice. I'm not sure that's an undertaking I want to try and take. There's, I believe there's 300 cards in that set as well. And 24 in a box. I think I've ripped 3 or 4 boxes. So I wouldn't be anywhere close for the mini set. There's Edwards. Well, that's a Allen Ginter back. Julian Edwards, actor. Okay. And this is Down on the Farm subset. I was thinking about getting a box of the Chrome this year, but decided against it. Just too much to catch up on, and Field Generals subset. And I saw David Adams advertising 2021 cards. So, DeGrom Mini. Got to finish 2020. Here's a rookie of K. That's it for that. Let us know in the comments below what you think of this set. We hope that you like and subscribe and come back for more videos. And we have Long Ball Lore. I like this set, Cabrera. Here's another Allen Ginter back of Bernie Williams. And the rest of the pack. All right. Debut to Remember. I like this set too. It's I think the front is very nice. All the cards look very sharp. Here's another Allen Ginter back. Shohei. And that would be the other problem with trying to put that mini set together, is that with the Allen Ginter back stuck in there, you know, there's a football for our... I know we've got a couple folks on our channel that just enjoy the football, so hopefully you're enjoying this product too. But back to what I was saying about the minis. 24 in the box, and we've already had 3 Allen Ginter backs, so we're down to maybe 20. Moncada. And that is another Allen Ginter back. So 19, maybe Long Ball Lore, Stanton. There's a Debut to Remember with Hayward. And our mini is an actual glow-in-the-dark Where Monsters Live, a dark tunnel. It's a subset for the minis. Rookie of Diaz. All right, still looking for our third hit. Hopefully we get an auto. I'd like to get a book card, but I will settle for an auto. Munoz rookie. And Reach for the Sky. And our mini is Biggio. And that's a regular back. Digging Deep is our insert, and it's the Rocks series. Here's our mini, another insert, Safari Heights Gazelle. I don't think I've pulled that set before, maybe, but I don't think so. Gallon rookie, and then, of course, got shortchanged with a Crack the Code, because I believe... one of the packs I opened last time, it actually counted for one of the cards in there. And from what I've read on that, it's not easy to do. Down on the Farm, Silo. Here's a black border Simmons. Your Quiddy rookie. There's that. I'm going to finish this setup. I'm going to finish Goodwin Champions up. Top Stadium Club. And Pro Debut. I still have to do that. Plus, actually, I haven't even ripped the flagship stuff yet. So I need to do that as well. But so just some of the sets we're putting together this year. Glow in the Dark, a Cave mini. And Wilshire Grand, the Reach for the Sky. Field Generals, Piazza. And our mini is Morgan. regular back. The LB's there. No rookies in that pack. Long ball lore Arenado. And an Allen Ginter back of Chapman. AJ Puck rookie. Let's see, Bichette, Lewis, Puck. Trying to think of any of the big rookies we haven't. Oh, Lewis, Robert. We need to get him. I don't know if I've got him in any of the other ones. I think I have. But when I put this set together, I will find out. Here's a Longoria mini, regular back. Down on the farm, the barn. Just a few more packs left. Still looking for our third hit. Hoping for a book card. Or an auto. Cabrera, Allen Ginter back, and Field Generals Johnny Bench. Ooh. Digging Deep is our subset in this. It is the pink opal, and our mini is a regular back of Pettit. And I think we've got our third. We do. It is a relic, game-used Swanson. So a couple packs left. No book card. I think this is the second box that I've had that have been all relics. So it is what it is. Long ball lore Musial. Brendan McKay, black border rookie. I'm going to have to sleeve that up. Let's see. Nothing. So those relics will eventually end up on my eBay site. But if you're interested, you can email me. Just check out the description. We'll have all the contact info in there. Debut to remember Crawford. Rizzo. Regular back. And no rookies there. 3 more packs left. One World Trade Center, Reach for the Sky subset. And our mini is Kenny Lofton. Boggs, Marti Acuna, Ruth, and Dye, and Mondesi. No rookies there. 2 packs left. Digging Deep, Lapis. And Garcia Para. Garcia Rapa. Don't know, I apologize. And last pack. Let's see what we get. The Chicken. Down on the farm. The Chicken. Castles and Strongholds. And our last cards, we have Lewis Robert. How about that? So, not bad. Quick recap. We just hit 3 mem cards. Swanson for the Braves. Bradley Jr. Red Sox. And Price. And they're all single color, looks like. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you like and subscribe. Take care and stay safe and happy collecting.